Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty. I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos, and I hope you subscribe. Now, today's video, since it's summer, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys 3 palettes that are super affordable and are perfect for summer. So I was cleaning out my makeup drawer and I found one palette that I have not seen in a very long time. And when I saw the colors, I was like, oh my God, these colors are perfect for summer. So I kind of thought, why don't I just do a video with palettes that are great to use for summer? So I want to share these 3 palettes. These colors are gorgeous. They're perfect for summer. And best of all, they're affordable. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. All right, so the first one I'm going to be sharing is from NYX, and it's their Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette. These colors are amazing. This one is in Electric, and look at these colors. I mean, they're just gorgeous. They're perfect colors for summer. They're bright. The pink that I'm actually wearing in today's video is from this palette, and I also did a little bit of the green color on my lower lids. I mean, this palette just screams summer. You can do so many fun looks with it. It has 4 colors and there's 3 different finishes. There's matte, there's shimmer, and there is metallic. I mean, there's so much you can do with this palette. I completely forgot that I had this palette and I love that I found it again. I'm gonna be using this a lot during the summer. It retails for about 18 bucks, which is pretty good. Under 20 bucks. I mean, I think that's great for these for this palette because they're very pigmented. I mean, all I did was one swipe and that bright pink was just on my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some swatches so you can see. I mean, these colors are bomb.com. All right, and next up is from Palladio, and this is their Island Vibes palette, and this one is in Paradise. I believe there's like 3 of these, but this one is Paradise. These colors, again, they're bright, they're very summery. The only thing about this palette, they're not as pigmented. I mean, I kind of had to swipe the brush quite a few times to kind of get that color. But I think for $14, which this retails for, I mean, it's a good palette if you want to kind of experiment with colors and you're kind of beginning to play with makeup. I would recommend a palette like this. As you can see, the hues, they kind of range from like reds, a couple of like creamy colors, and then more dark. The one I've used the most in this palette is this red one. I love that like shiny, like red color. So I haven't experimented with all of the colors, but the most one that I've used is this one, the reddish color. Like I said, not very pigmented, but I would recommend this for the summer if you don't want to spend too much on an eyeshadow palette, but kind of want to play around with colors. All right, guys, up next, it's another NYX palette, and this is the Love You So Mochi. This one is in Sleek and Chic. I believe, again, this one comes in like 3 different palettes, 3 different colors. This one is the Sleek and Chic. Look at these colors. When I see this palette, I think of like myself very tanned, very summery, and these colors against like tan skin is just so pretty. The colors are very peachy, very soft. They're a little shimmery, a little metallic. So, I mean, I can see this look like at night, super tan, ready to go out for summer. These colors are just amazing. It retails for anywhere between $7 and $13 depending where you get it. I definitely think that this palette is worth it to get for the summer. The colors are very pigmented. Like I said, NYX has a very good formula. Their stuff is always very pigmented. This one I haven't used as much, as you can see why it looks so pretty, neat, and clean. But my favorite color out of here is like this bronzy brown color, this orangey color. I mean, they just sparkle. These colors just sparkle. I love it. All right, guys, so that is the 3 palettes I recommend that are super affordable and that are great for summer. Um, None of these retail over $20. It's under 20 bucks. I think that's a great deal for these palettes, especially this NYX one, the electric one. These colors are just amazing and they're so pigmented. I'm like amazed by this formula and this color. But these are 3 palettes you can get for the summer, all super affordable. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. And you can also follow me on social media, Patties_Closet. And don't forget to follow my blog, pattiescloset.com. There I share more fashion, more beauty, and lifestyle content. See you guys in my next video.